This Century 21 Purdum-Epperson Incorporated property video is presented by Steve Silberer. Located in the southeast area of Macomb on a dead-end street, this 3-bedroom, 2.5-bath home has a living room with attached den area with wood-burning fireplace, large dining room, galley kitchen, laundry room, half-bath, oversized 2-car garage and nice sunroom with views of the backyard. The primary bedroom is large with full bath, as well as the 2 other bedrooms that both share a full bath. Enjoy the area of this home with very low traffic, and close to MDH and schools. For more information, review the details below.